Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Experiences in Short. Thank you for liking, viewing, commenting and subscribing to my channel. In today's video, we are going to have a quick easy breezy DIY on how to make macrame coasters. हम आज सीखने वाले हैं मैक्रामे कोस्टर कैसे बनाएं जो कि बहुत ही इजी एंड कन्वीनियंटली आप घर पे बना सकते हो। इसको कोई भी एज ग्रुप के लोग बना सकते हैं एंड विथ लिमिटेड रिसोर्स यू कैन मेक इट। मैक्रामे कॉर्ड्स आर अवेलेबल वेरी इजीली इन अमेजोन और ऑल्सो इन डिफरेंट वॉक इन शॉप्स, सो आप जाके ये मैक्रामे ला सकते हैं। एंड दीज मैक्रामेज आर ऑल्सो अवेलेबल इन डिफरेंट कलर्स, सो आप अपने डेकोर के हिसाब से वो डिसाइड कर सकते हैं आपको कौन से कलर का चाहिए। एंड द बेस्ट पार्ट इज दिस नॉट ओनली improves the look of your house but also helps in your personal development, like it increases your span of attention. You can keep your kids busy with this because this is very kid friendly. You don't need any knitting accessories for this. So this is one DIY which I loved making. Personally I was going through a lot of anxiety because I have been confined to home for some time. अभी मेरे को बाहर जाने को नहीं मिल रहा है. So this is one activity which kept me busy and also inspired me to come up with lot of handcrafts out of this macrame cords. And recently I have ordered some more macrame threads and I'm planning to make a wall hanging also. And if you are also in a similar situation जब आपको बाहर का exposure नहीं मिल रहा है, आप बाहर step out नहीं कर पा रहे हो और आपको घर में ज़्यादा कुछ करने को है नहीं, आई वॉज सुपर बोर्ड वॉचिंग नेटफ्लिक्स, हॉटस्टार एवरी टाइम, सो मेरे को कुछ अलग करना था जो कि मेरा पर्सनल डेवलपमेंट के लिए भी फ़ायदेमंद हो. सो आई केम अप विद दिस एंड दिस इंस्पायर्ड मी अ लॉट. मैंने ये मैक्रामे कोस्टर बनाया है. देखिए ये कितना ब्यूटीफुल है. मेरा जो डाइनिंग टेबल है वो थोड़ा सा डार्क कलर में है, सो दिस गोज सुपर विद माई डाइनिंग टेबल. आप अपने हिसाब से यू कैन डिसाइड. एंड दिस पैटर्न इज़ समथिंग विच इज़ वेरी ईजी. तो अभी आप अगर इसको देख रहे हो तो आपको लग रहा होगा कितना कॉम्प्लिकेटेड ये है ये, बट वंस यू स्टार्ट दिस प्रोसेस एंड यू सी दिस वीडियो यू विल नो हाउ कन्वीनियंट एंड ईजी दिस इज़. I am taking this beautiful green macrame cord of 4 mm for the coaster. I have cut 5 cords of 30 inches for our walking cord and 1 base cord of 5 feet. To begin with, I have made a loop with our 5 feet base cord, and this is going to be the cord around which we are tying all our knots around. Now I am taking one of the 30 inches walking cord and putting it under the loop and taking out the ends just like this to create a cow hitch knot. I am going to repeat the same with the other 4 walking cords. You can see now 5 cow hitch knots around this loop. So now what I am going to do is I am going to pull the longer end of the base cord and I am going to give it a shape of a radio button. And now I am going to arrange the walking cord. This is the base cord, the longest cord. And these are all the walking cords. As a first step, I am going to take the base cord over the walking cord and give a shape of 4 like this with the walking cord and take it under the base cord and make a half hitch knot. Basically, we are going to create 2 half hitch knots with each walking cord. Moving on to the next cord, you can see we are making a number 4 shape, taking it out, and again with the same walking cord we are making 2 half hitch knots. We are going to repeat this process. As we go on repeating this process, we can see a gap here. And to fill this gap, we have cut some small walking cords which are 26 inches, and now I am making a cow hitch knot again on the base cord. Depending on the gap, we can decide the number of walking cords we need to attach here. Since the gap here is big, I am taking 2 walking cords and making 2 cow hitch knots here. After the cow hitch knots are done, I am again going to repeat the process of half hitch knot with the next walking cord. So now I am taking the base cord over the walking cord, giving it a number 4 shape and taking it under it. I am making 2 half hitch knots. While we are doing this process, we can see the gaps coming in, and these gaps can be filled up by adding the additional walking cords. And we are repeating the process again and again. Basically, this base cord is spiraling around to create the round shape for the coaster. And we are using the walking cord to wrap around the base cord to create this beautiful structure for the coaster. As we keep repeating the process, we can see the circle of the coaster becoming bigger and bigger, and whenever there is a gap, we put a cow hitch knot and add another walking cord. This is a very simple method, but the outcome is really beautiful. Now we are using the same process of spiraling around the base cord with the help of the walking cords, and the shape is really coming out to be well as per our plan. It's beautiful, it's catchy, the color is vibrant. So now I have reached the desired shape. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a comb and a scissor to shape the macrame coaster. So I'm going to comb these threads so that they open and that beautiful texture of the thread comes out. And in order to give it a shape, I'm using a scissor. I will be cutting those threads so that I get that perfect round shape. Now I will cut all the uneven threads around. And again comb it. So this is the final coaster, guys. This looks so beautiful. This is so vibrant and so bohemian. So if you are looking forward for a bohemian DIY, then this is the most easiest thing you can create with very less effort. This is just perfect for my home. I'm going to create more of these coasters in different colors. Wow, this is so beautiful. This is a very simple and elegant coaster which has come out of with very little efforts. I am really happy with the outcome. Oh my god, this is so pretty. Hope you liked this video and this video was helpful to you in learning how to make a macrame coaster. If you like this video, please don't forget to hit the like button as well as subscribe to my channel for more such videos which is coming soon in future. Thank you, stay safe, take care, bye bye.